Hi guys, I'm Sid Strauss from Road to Power, and in today's episode we will see whether launching your car really makes a difference on your quarter mile. So all the old drag racers say your 60 foot is where you actually win the race. So with our measurement tool, the Dragy, we really put it to the test. We just pulled away normally, leisurely at 2000 RPM with no changes to the car. We had a run. So let's see what a quarter mile is. Okay guys, let's do this again, but now we will be launching the car 3500 RPM. Let's see what this does to our quarter mile time. Okay, in short, launching your car really helps. With modern cars or modern sport compact cars, we have launch control from factory. With race cars, we have launch control built in. What does launch control do? Launch control retards your timing and locks in your RPM. This allows your vehicle to boost, generating power before you take off from the line. So in all-wheel drive, we could use launch control to help the driver get off the line quicker with more power, because an all-wheel drive has more grip, less slip. Like a front wheel drive, you spin up the tires. A rear wheel drive, you have weight transfer, which is best, but your road surface really comes into play with a rear wheel drive. Do you have sticky tires? Do you have a prep piece of launch pad? So a rear wheel drive, definitely they have really fast times, big dragsters with full slick tires, but that's a different ball game. But just in short, using the Dragy, we see that launching your car improves your quarter mile time. So what's next for Road to Power? It's launch control. So there we have it. Launch control really helps. So our first run without launch control, we did a 16.2, and at the end of the day with launch control we did a 14.2. That's a 2-second increase. The difference between launch control and playing around with your throttle on the line was a 0.8 second difference. So we really shaved down on our quarter mile time by only adding launch control. So in short, yes, launch control helps, You should play around with the setting. Things to come for Road to Power is we will do a short video of how to wire up launch control and do a setup with a collaboration from another channel possibly. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and stay safe, guys.